Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enchant rods on fish. So you're going to go to the cave underneath the statue of sovereignty, which is the keeper's altar. You're just going to go down using this elevator. There's an elevator guy upstairs, but I just forgot to record him. Anyways, you're going to open the rod that you want to enchant. I'm just going to equip it first. Then you are going to open up your relic. Well, you're going to hold your relic like that. And then you're going to just press E and interact. I'm hoping I get hasty. Oh, okay. I need to use my sundial totem first to make it night. So open up your totem and make it nighttime first. There we go. And then you are going to open up your relic. So go here and you're going to select interact and then you're going to press yes. Hopefully I get hasty. Okay, it's very hard for me to do this because I'm very unlucky if I'm being honest, but I really want hasty for this rod, so I'm just going to keep trying and you're just going to keep trying. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you want like the others like quantum or stuff like that, you will need the exalted relic for it. And I think those are just the two relics that you'll need. For clever, you'll need the normal enchanted relic, but there's only two that you'll need. And I really want the hasty one, but it's not giving me that. So I'm just going to keep trying. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.